What's up?
Smoke!
Again?
You want to throw it?
Throw it, Dan. Look it.
Livy. What's up?
Back here. What? Left.
Come on.
Look over
There we
there.
go. All right.
Yeah, throw one hand here.
Next move.
Back changing. Down to 2 or 3 minutes.
I'm gonna make it to the next boat here. Next stretch. Yep.
Just a sec.
Let me know.
Fly alone.
Ready?
Blackwater! You're good to the trench!
Yes,
Tell me you got that over the hill.
I did.
Come on, come on, come on, get in. Gun hand up. Hurry up. On spry.
What do you want me to do?
Not what I asked. Who's feeling spry?
No, I want to know what you're doing. I'm the main man here. What are you doing?
Want that next
We're taking fire, yeah. We're taking fire from right there. If you want to take that bunker, we need to go back this way.
Up to you, Dad, if you want to take the long way or the short way.
We go long way, they're going to rip us up.
Okay.
Oh, we got, how many guys we got here? Why are we looking this short?
We are a couple.
Alright. Damn, this fucking gun, man. Should have brought my ass a fucking thing. Alright. Can we get some guys to belly crawl? Where's Dan K?
Died. Come on.
Dan K got killed?